Hello guys, just got myself a brand new crimper kit. This is a complete case with a lot of different jaws you can change in front of the plier. This is from the company CPTEC. I also has got a plier from them earlier, but this one you can't change the jaws. This one can. Look at this. Oh la la! Some papers. Mine has had a rough time in the mail service, so it's a little dented and crashed some here and there, but it's still excellent. Everything's working. So let's take a closer look at it. If you take a close look at the pliers and compare it to the other one I get, you can see it's almost identical. It's some small screws that is different on these jaws. It's really nice patent. Open it and then you press this screw or head or something, then you can release the jaws. Amazingly clever, eh? You also get a wire stripper, spring loaded, very nice. And you can see there are 4 different types of cables. It also has this sharp blade inside here, which really is for splitting cables like this. You put it in from this side because the blade seems to be sharp on only one side, and then you just press it. Look at this. Slice through like nothing. And if I manage to open this one and this one, no damage to the insulation. Fantastic! And of course, you can strip the cables with the correct jaws. Just cut and then everything looks perfect. Very easy. There's also a jaw here for cutting, like this excess plastic from the cable. Very sharp and nice. Let's see if we try it on this cable, which is a real big one. Went like a hot knife through butter. No problem at all. Yep. Let's look at the jaws, different jaws. On the website they have this big color planche you can take a look at to understand everything. You have the jaws for the standard cable shoes, which is the one that was installed on the pliers. You have one for the heat shrinked cable shoes, terminals, cable terminals I think it's called. And you have them for this open barrel system. And you have this one for the closed, I don't know the name of it, but they look something like this. Yep. And then you have this oh, come on. Which you put onto the cable. I don't know the name of this either, but maybe I can look it up and put it in text writing. 2 different sizes. So, if we take a look at them in real life, then you have the big ones, which is, I would say, really big. This was the biggest one on the top here. From 6 to 35 millimeter cables. That's a big sucker. I don't have that kind of cable and terminal, so I can't show you this in work. But this one, with a smaller one, I have. And that is this one. Look at that. Let's try that one. And again, press it, take out the one, put in a new one. And here we have it. You have all the numbers on one side. Hopefully you can see this. And then I already pressed one here. But we can do another one. And when we are stripping it, let's see, it was the gray type. You must strip it so it's, yeah, almost like this. And see here, how nice is that? Every piece of wire is still intact. No one is cut. Yep. And then just put it inside. Let's see if it's possible to show this. Into the right one. This is too big. This fins right. This is. And here we should go. And this one seems to be right. Maybe this one better. Try this one. And there we have it. Excellent. Look at this. Yeah, everything is good. Fantastic. The jaws, I can show you this as well. You have a small hexagon screw over here. This one you can tighten or loosen the jaws, because if they are too loose, you can tighten this just a tiny bit to make them tight again. Okay. Then let's try the big boy with this one. This was the 6mm cable. And then this one is a little too short for that. So let's do a knife. Little too short, little too small. Because this one only takes up to 2.5. You can see it maybe here, if you're lucky. 2.5 quadrat millimeters. Okay, that's about right. And then we need the jaws for this. Plus this one. The jaws has some number on them, so you can find it in this manual. 10N, and here it says 10N. And you have this on the top here as well, so you can see all this. Here we go, number 6. Oh! Look at that, guys. Huh? That looks excellent. No way you can take this apart. This looks excellent. Very professional. Very good crimp. Let's try this tiny one, which is the open barrel type. Okay, after fitting the cable inside this tiny open barrel terminal, we put it inside the plier and try. Let's see how that goes. That was maybe the wrong. But then it looks like this. I think we try one more with a bigger jaw. Yes, I think that one was a little better. Amazingly professionally done. This was done with a jaw which was too small. This one is with the correct one, so this one looks perfect. Fantastic crimp. Excellent. Let's try this red crimpers with the jaws that was made for this one, which is those jaws. Let's see how that looks. This one was a little faulty, but still. Okay. Did not look as good as I was hoping for. Let's try one more. Okay, let's do one more. See how that one come out. Ah, much better. Looks amazingly nice. Fantastic. Yep. No way you can remove this by hand. Let's do one of the yellow ones as well. This is also made from the same cable. Yellow, marked with yellow here. Oh, feels real good, real good. And this is how it looks like. It's very stiff, this cable. Let's see. Yes, and if you compare them both, I would say they look exceptionally professional. Fantastic crimps, both of them. This one as well, excellent. Very good. And again, this one, fantastic, good looking. So, to sum things up, all in all, I find this crimper kit very nice. So, it will replace my 3, 4, 5. Where is the last one? Yeah. All these 3 pliers will be replaced by only one with all these loose jaws. And also this one, of course, I don't need anymore. You only need one tool. You need the excellent crimper tool from CPTEC, which has all the jaws you need and also included this very nice cable stripper. And if you look at the jaws, look at this. This is amazing. It's razor sharp. I don't know if it's possible to see it, but they are really nice and excellent. Very sharp. Look how easy to strip. You just press it once, twist, and off it goes. Fantastic. Then it also has a plier in the front which you can bend if you need to bend something. And there we have it, all in one very neat packed plastic case, which seems very durable, locks nicely. I can highly recommend it. I have tested it before I did this clip with a lot of different terminals, and everyone works excellent. So I will provide links for it down below or maybe up in this corner so you can click and check it out for yourself. I got mine from AliExpress. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye. Okay, what can you see it? KPC KP. Let's do one more time. CPTEC. The excellent barrel. The excellent crimper tool from KFN